Hey guys, Mobile Geezer here with the one more TWS Q20 Earbuds. So let's get started.
Let's do this!
So I initially saw an article somewhere, don't remember where, sorry about that these were on sale for 20 bucks. Now I believe these are like maybe a year old, but I've never had any one more earbuds, and I figured for that price I just had to try them. I believe One More is based in Britain, but right now you can pick these up on their USA website for $24.99, which is still a great price, especially when you consider that right now Amazon has them as a Prime Day deal for 40 bucks. So you're saving quite a bit of money here. So let's open these up and see what they're like for that little amount of money. Very basic presentation, nothing fancy here. So in the box you get the earbuds, paperwork, and a couple of extra ear tips, no cable, that's it. These are in black, but they also come in white. So let's take them out of the case. But first you have to peel off this protective paper from each earbud. And they should be ready for pairing as soon as you take them out of the case. So let's see if we can pair them with my Pixel 8A. Okay, the 8A sees them right away. And you're all paired up. So let's try these for the first time. And I think I've told you guys before, most ear tips fit my ear pretty good without me changing anything. And these feel pretty comfortable. So first I'm going to try an old jazz tune by the Crusaders that I used to play on sax in a band years ago. And boy, these sound pretty good for the money. So now I'll try my standard Mozart Eine kleine Nachtmusik. And again, sounding really good. So that's it guys, just a quick unboxing. I just wanted to show you that I picked these up. And like I said, the first time I've had one more earbuds, and I might be pretty happy with these. I'll let you know as we go along. Seems like I'm getting to be pretty much of an earbuds guy. That's not on purpose. I just kind of fell into it. So as I said, $24.99 on the One More USA website. I'll leave a link in the description. As always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching.
So there's one other thing.
We all do better when we love each other.